How to run the medical care report. Welcome to our guide on generating the medical care report. Start by navigating to the Reports module, then proceed to click on the Safety Reports tab. The Medical Care tab offers insights into children's health and safety needs, such as vaccinations, allergies, and dietary preferences. Choose a custom date range or select a specific date, then click Apply. A list will appear showing all children present on that date or during that date range. To refine your results by group, use the Group drop-down menu to select the desired group, then click Apply again. This will display only the children from that group. You'll find details like the child's name, birth date, and photo if available. The group they're in, their immunization status, allergies, and medical conditions are also listed. In the columns, you can click the arrow to sort, such as sorting the allergies and medical conditions field so that children with allergies or medical conditions appear at the top of the list, as demonstrated here with a child who has asthma. Continue browsing for further information, including medications, special needs, and prohibited meals. Use the filter option to highlight items such as children with specific meal restrictions. You can enter the meal type and filter to only show children with that particular prohibited meal. As you scroll, note any flagged family or portal members in the designated column. You can export this medical care report to a PDF for convenient offline access or printing, ensuring you have a physical copy when needed. For an Excel-compatible format, download by clicking the CSV option. If you need assistance at any point with the medical care report, our support team is ready to help. Thank you for watching our training video.